Organization administrators can access and modify settings at the organization level. Expand the administration menu in the left navigation. Select Organization Management to manage feature configurations. Held, Held Plus, and My E911 device garbage collection is where you can define which inactive devices and users should be automatically deleted from the system and at which time interval. My E911 client options is where you can control notification settings for your users from the My E911 clients installed on their devices. This is helpful for organizations that don't permit users to install or update the software themselves. In this case, you can disable the update notification messages. Informational notifications can be disabled here as well. These notifications simply inform the user when their location is set via network discovery. Public IP ranges can be viewed, added, edited, and deleted here. The public IP address is used as a trusted source to check that the held request is coming from a corporate location. The source of the held request is checked against the public IP range. Only after a request passes the public IP check will the IP range mappings be utilized. Routing options. If you wish to use DID for fallback routing of held devices, you can enable that option here. When this option is enabled, the phone number of the caller will be used for location determination in the event the location was not obtained through held. Allow MS Teams manual locations controls whether Microsoft Teams calls that use manual PIDFlow will be routed to the PSAP or ERC. Welcome emails. If you'd like to send auto-generated welcome emails to newly onboarded My E911 users, you can toggle this feature on or off here. Organizations can send auto-generated welcome emails to organization administrators by toggling this feature on or off here.